What if the key to skyrocketing your productivity, mastering hard skills, and achieving career-defining results isn't working more but working deeper, in an age of constant notifications and endless distractions? Cal Newport makes a bold claim. The ability to focus without distraction is the most valuable skill in the 21st century economy. If you want to stop being busy and start being truly productive, read Deep Work today. I can follow for more powerful book breakdown. Overview of the book. Deep Work: Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World is a powerful guide that champions the importance of deep, focused work in a world increasingly dominated by shallow tasks and digital distractions. Cal Newport, a computer science professor and productivity expert, argues that cultivating deep work is essential for anyone who wants to thrive professionally and personally in our attention-fractured world. Key concepts. 1. What is deep work? Professional activities performed in a state of distraction-free concentration that push your cognitive capabilities to their limit. These efforts create new value, improve your skill, and are hard to replicate. 2. Shallow work, non-cognitively demanding logistical-style tasks, often performed while distracted. Examples include replying to emails, attending unnecessary meetings, and scrolling social media. These activities rarely create much new value and are easy to replicate. The two core abilities for thriving in the new economy: the ability to quickly master hard things, the ability to produce at an elite level. In terms of both quality and speed, deep work directly supports both of these abilities. The rules of deep work. Rule number 1. Work deeply to cultivate the habit of deep work, Newport suggests. Ritualize your deep work sessions. Set specific times and environments. Embrace boredom. Train your mind to resist distractions. Make grand gestures. Significant commitments can boost focus. Execute like a business. Use productivity frameworks like the 4DX system. Focus on the wildly important. Act on lead measures. Keep a compelling scoreboard, and create a cadence of accountability. Rule number 2. Embrace boredom. You must train your brain to tolerate boredom and resist the urge to switch tasks. Schedule breaks for distractions rather than giving in immediately. Rule number 3. Quit social media. Newport is not anti-technology, but he advises us to critically assess whether a tool truly adds value to our personal or professional life. Apply the craftsman's approach. Only use tools that provide substantial benefits to your key goals. Rule number 4. Drain the shallows. Eliminate or minimize shallow work by scheduling every minute of your day, saying no to tasks that don't align with your deep work goals, creating routines to reduce decision fatigue and maximize deep work time. Strategies and practices. Time blocking. Plan your day in blocks, allocating time for focused work, meetings, and even breaks. The 4DX framework helps you act on lead measures that move the needle rather than just reacting to tasks. Tension residue. Even brief distractions leave traces in your brain that reduce your focus when you return to your task. Why deep work matters. Scarcity creates value. Deep work is rare in today's environment, making it a competitive advantage. Depth over busyness. Many professionals mistake being busy for being productive. Deep work is what leads to breakthroughs and innovation. Mental satisfaction. Humans are wired for meaningful, challenging tasks. Deep work provides that fulfilling state of flow. Who should read this book? Knowledge workers looking to boost productivity, creatives who want to protect time for meaningful output, students who want to study smarter. It's not harder, entrepreneurs and professionals in any field who are overwhelmed by digital distractions. Final thoughts. Deep Work isn't just about productivity. It's a manifesto for reclaiming your mind in a world pulling you in 1,000 directions. Cal Newport gives us not only a compelling argument for focus, but a practical playbook for achieving it. Key takeaway: in a world full of noise, your ability to go deep is your ultimate competitive advantage. Train your mind, protect your focus, and you'll stand out in any field.